Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google form public but not editable. First, open Google Forms and sign in with your Google account. Next, select any form you want to make public but ensure that others can't edit it. At the top of the form, click on Settings. Click the Responses tab. Scroll down to the option that says Allow Response Editing. Uncheck or disable this option. Now your form is public. Anyone with the link can respond, but they won't be able to edit their answers afterward. And that's how you make your Google form public but not editable. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.